Roy Nelson's charge account uses the unpaid balance method to compute the finance charge at a monthly periodic rate of 1.75%. During the month, he charged $156.89, made a $200 payment, and had a $9.90 finance charge. Find his A. unpaid balance, B. previous balance, and C. new balance. Now, this is the algebra problem, so it means that we're going to have to work backwards a little bit. It asked me to find the unpaid balance. It tells me the periodic rate. It tells me how much he charged, so he gives me the new purchases. It tells me he makes a payment, and it tells me the finance charge. So I have to kind of work backwards a little bit here. So let's start with what I do know. I know the finance charge. Sorry. Let's go down just a little bit. Okay, I know the finance charge. That's $9.90. And I know the periodic rate. I don't know the unpaid balance, but I can find it. So let's start with the second equation. Finance charge was $9.90. That equals my unpaid balance, which I don't know, times my periodic rate, which I do know, 1.75%. So to find the unpaid balance, we're going to divide by 1.75%. Now remember, we always divide by 100, so guess what? We're probably going to have to multiply by 100 here. So we're going to do 990 divided by 1.75 times 100. I'm getting $565.71. That is my unpaid balance. Okay. The second thing says find your previous balance. Well, I can use this top equation. I now know my unpaid balance and I know my payments and credits. I'm looking for the previous balance. So we're going to say 565.71 equals previous balance minus 100, because that's my payments, minus 200. That was my payments and credits. So we would add 200 here. What that's going to do is give me my previous balance, which is $765.71. That was my previous balance. Third, it asked me to find my new balance. New balance says, take your unpaid balance. Well, that was answer A. Take your finance charge. That was at $9.90. And take your new purchases, which it gave me in the problem, of $156.89, and add those three together. So C, we're going to take our unpaid balance. So new balance equals $565.71 plus $9.90 plus $156.89. So our new balance will now equal $732.50. On the top of the next page, questions 3 and 4 are now there for the try on your own activity. I want you to take the next 7 minutes to work through questions 3 and 4, try on your own. Go ahead and pause your videos now. As you can see, the answers to questions 3 and 4 have now been provided for you. Please take a moment to write these answers down. If you have any questions, please let me know. After you've finished this slide, on the next slide, you will see your fill in the blank for your vocab check for this lesson. Please make sure you mark this presentation as done and show me the completion of your notes in exchange for your worksheet for today. Good luck.